This.
Again, I mean, there are very few plays where I'm going to lose sleep over the way I play the hand.
Got some spice over here. I got a creative hand. This is what I have. I'm gonna check call.
Get his call. And then do I jam or do I check?
Okay, and we got the fucking diamond on the bottom. Queens.
I mean, it's ambitious.
I'm gonna bet just like a whatever size in case for some reason he's check calling. As I probably would, to be fair. What the fuck does this guy have? Okay, that was a weird one. Spiced it up big time.
I kind of still feel like he was bluffing there now, but I'd be one of the crazier bluffs.
Falcons is getting a little cocky. Falcons is...
What? Tabs, PoE tabs that I might need. Later for leveling. Yeah, I feel like, to be honest, not gonna be too much happening today in the markets. I'm gonna get back long on my gold. Yeah, on gold. But yeah, I think overall I'm pretty much in weekend mode right now. be much in weekend mode. I am. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go to the kitchen quickly. My Xbox is still on. But the biggest scam pumps the best. Lol, green is in for the tech, guys. What a fucking joke. in for the tech. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, I'm talking to myself. Where's Happy? I don't know. Tapping. I think he's working. At least he's pretending to work. Double Mac Fab. Double Mac Fab. Do-do-do-do. PC numbers were whatever. Doesn't really matter. Neutral. Do 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 do. Yeah, ready for what? No time to keep watching
He's
this.
making some,
It's so funny.
playing some funk balls, huh? Thinks he can funk ball it against me, huh? Is that how it is, Falcons? Is that how it is?
I mean, this is like the most checky hand, but I bet full range on these boards.
Yeah, so you know
Early in the
this.
session, I
Be bluffing in this situation. Two wild artists. Valdi had red hair, by the way. He was called the Red Priest. The rock stars back in the day were like classical music artists. Times have changed a little, but like the pizzazz was still there, right? He still had the red hair. Think about it like that.
here, this hand could be a raise. I think it makes a pretty good raise.
Oh wow, I have a set and a flush draw, and this man is raising me. That's a good situation to be in.
Lol.
Alright, I mean, maybe he's got like the weird ass bluff, but I'm not really buying it on this board. I'm just gonna go all in. Man, no way he folds. There's a way, but it's tough. Maybe he's got the weird bluff. You have the weird bluff?
And fold over here.
Oh my god, he folded. Maybe he learned from that one hand. Maybe he learned. Maybe he's onto something. Maybe he had the weird bluff on the King Jack 3 for like what? Like 125 big blinds? I didn't think he'd be that kind of guy. He does have some weird bluffs out in this guy. Falcon throws in a few curveballs. He's mostly solid, this guy, but every once in a while he's got some moves.
We are now losing down 25k.
I mean, sometimes I just want to like limp fold, especially if it makes people think I'm stupid. You know?
Here, second nuts.
Not really an ideal board. I have top set though. When you have a set, you bet. That's my rule. Another jungle hot coaching tip. Have a set.
You have a set, you bet.
With the redraw, I'm going to start with call.
Alright, now I got a weird spot. We're not that deep. Could get jammed on. I guess I'll check. I mean, if I could have like, if I had a little backup, I bet for sure. I don't want to always check my sets. But I think he knows that. I don't think it matters that much. I gotta check. I gotta play some sets like they're actual sets in this spot by checking the turn.
Yes, you have to go with the second nuts with a redraw, with double redraw here.
Well, that's not really the card I was looking for. I think I'm gonna check and give up.
Can't fold this if he leads. I did expect a lot of leads.
You do have the king of diamonds.
Did expect a lot of leads. I don't know though. I go for it.
If he has a flush, he's going nowhere ever. Alright, you know what? Galfond.
Check back.
But here, I can like kind of justify betting full pot, but it's kind of whack too.
Here, easy call as well.
At the top, I think I got a bet. The question is how much? I'm gonna do a third pot bet.
So, I mean, I think I need a bluff. The problem is he might just like get here with king high clubs and be like, well, let me check call instead of bet.
I think he's gonna call that a lot. I've also been bluffing more with his size today. I think there's a pretty good chance he raises. He has to worry a bit that I do the re-raise, the jungle on him. So that's the thing. He's got to fear the jungle aspect.
Fear of the jungle
I don't
aspect.
have 10-7 because I check flop. I unblock clubs though, so this is pretty good raising hand. I want him to have the flush. I mean, it's a pretty good raising hand. 7 is better for raising, but
Of course he does raise full pot. I'm just gonna fold though. I'm gonna re-jungle him because he doesn't expect.
Gonna re-jungle him.
That's how you really get them. You snap fold on their ass when they're never expecting it. They're like, oh man, this guy's gonna call. But then I'm like, no. I'm gonna snap fold. Boom, in your face. You weren't expecting the full-blown bitch turnaround. It's like, what? Yeah, how it works.
can't pick your 4 cards every time. Otherwise, I just would have picked a boat and value raised. Or I guess a straight flush was out. I would have picked the straight flush.
All right, I'm not raising here. My hand kind of sucks. It doesn't really suck. The thing is that I can't raise all the nut straights there, the dry nut straights. Those are the sorts of hands that you want to call and wait to raise until later.
I'm gonna bet to deny equity. He's got a lot of just like 8, 5, 4, 3 type hands that peel flop, and my hand's good enough to bet call. I kind of like just not letting him dictate the action.
Now he bets tiny as shit again. Time to put some more money in this pot, the low. And theoretically, I could have some things that are not just straights. Do I want to polarize? No, I don't. I mean, whatever. I don't have to play perfect according to some nerd's idea of theory. Oh, and by the way, I'm allowed to call nerds because I'm kind of a nerd too. So, Riddle, see what you can do with that. Talk back to me now.
All right, we call, lead on a club, lead on a queen. Do we lead on any other cards? Do we lead on a 9? I'm not sure.
The thing about nerds is that they're not going to talk back to you in that spot. I don't think a lot of people will talk back to you in that spot, to be fair, thinking about it more.
Okay, well, the queen of clubs, we did.
All right, so I've got, yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. This could happen real easily. I could have, like, called just for this reason. Of course, he bets full pot, and I'm hating my life. I think, got a club. I guess he could have, like, set, like, blocker? I don't think so, man. Okay, dude, you win.
Made the fold when we had the nut flush.
TV needs you to keep poker alive. Oh, listen up. I'm ready to go on TV and keep poker alive. I can fucking do it. I'll do it myself if they need me to. I'll flip them the bird, or you name it. I'll do it all. You just call Mickey in. He's your guy. You know, I got some logic going on too, but you see, there's lots of motherfuckers in poker that got a bit of logic, okay? If you've ever paid attention, they're all like basically robots sitting down there. I've got a little something else. That's something that don't have. Got the extras, that extra stuff. It's the difference between eating a nice steak and it being spiced up enough by the right kind of chef. You know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. There's lots of guys in poker that got some logic, okay? They got a little logic, and they sit in there, and they're doing their math, and they're, you know, randomizing 64% of the time, bet, check, whatever. Fuck that.
Gotta keep barreling on the left.
And on the top table, I'm going to just call.
Jungle Man is so fucking funny.
Okay, easy bluff on the left.
Up here, ooh. This does seem like a spot Galfon would bluff. Fair.
Don't make 2 correct decisions, Jungle Man. That'd be frustrating.
Just because he would be thinking he doesn't have that many bluffs here. And that's probably true. And yeah, I mean, that's probably true. I got the 3 of diamonds, it's good to have. I got the flush. I'm probably supposed to call, so I probably should.
It's deep in the tank.
That being said, do I block any bluffs? 6? Do kind of. I don't know. I guess I'll call. I can't pull this.
Now we are repping the nut flush, and he makes the call. Good call.
Oh, you did. Yeah, see, I did have the weird bluff. I caught the falcon.
Flush, which it's not supposed to fold flush really, but he could in that spot, repping it pretty well. I think he thinks I like to be tricky more than it's good for me. Too tricky for my own good. That's what I was trying to find the words for. I believe this is a good 4-betting hand. Yeah, it is.
All right, so I got 4-bet with this hand. I guess. See, I should know this. I should know what to do here. That's where that's a bit of a fail on my part that I don't know what to do in this spot.
The problem is it gets kind of ugly on a lot of flops. It gets it's dominated on like a lot of flops where he's gonna lead. Probably not that one.
I'm gonna gamble a little bit for the stream. I'm gonna call, but I suspect it's kind of bad. And now I got a situation of sorts. Yeah, now I have a bit of a situation. Mickey, you look kind of good at getting a situation.
Man, what is he doing here?
Fair, I call and 2 backdoor flushes. Now I have a full house. Oh dear. This is getting really dicey, guys. This is really kind of a situation. This is really
Man, the music's too loud.
I'm really scared. I don't know. I blocked the king too. I'm just, man. I don't know what to do. This is so ugly.
Problem on the right is he's gonna check. like everything, and I have a weird decision.
Oh, maybe I should check. I'm scared as shit. He can't. He doesn't have much of an option to raise. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check. Because he has top settle.
And I have a weird decision.
I'm gonna check. I'm scared. He can have bluffs. If he has bluffs, he's 1000% betting. I know him. Like a peacock. Yeah, that's right. A real world peacock.
There's like a 1.6% chance I can win at showdown. I just don't think he's folding an ace when I take this line, so okay. Full house.
What does he have? What the fuck does he have? Yeah. Oh man, he did have a bluff. Okay, so I did pick the right line. How does he not bluff in that one spot? Shit, maybe he got a weird feeling.
And king, queen, four deuce. Okay. That all makes sense.
Who's leading the challenge now? Guess who? Just take a wild guess. Got king. Alright, I have 2 8s and a jack. I'm gonna make a cute play and call. I can raise the rivers. The only issue is he knows I can do these kinds of things. So I really have to be, I gotta pick my combos a bit. Okay, so here I'm gonna have to raise with my 2 8s. I got a pretty sweet card hand to raise with.
Grayscale.
How much? Question is how much? Not full pot.
Story checks out. We're down 30.
Grayscale wants to dump the Ethereums, huh?
But I think very clear bluff on the left.
I think this size might be okay. It needs to work over 50% of the time. Alright, poker gods help me.
Just has the nuts. Or 8-8s. I don't know. I'm always suspicious that he's bluffing, but...
The fuck is Grayscale doing?
That works! Ah!
Wouldn't be bluffing that much in that spot.
There's nothing better than these stupid bluffs working. There's nothing better. You know what's kind of a funny strategy? Being in the jungle kind of does help. It gives you perspective on things, and you get nature around you.
I mean, this is such a strong hand. It feels kind of a shame to raise right away, but here we go.
Whoa, holy shit, Nvidia, gap up.
Alright, I have overpair and open-ended. Pretty good, not amazing. Gonna call.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, when you have nature around you, it really heals you a bit when you get wounded. So having a little jungle behind you really...
What the fuck is this Nvidia gap up?
Animal energy.
Standard to small bet.
Natural stuff going on. Okay, so I still have an overpair and he's bet small. I could do something really cute and raise small. That's like super cute. Should I do this? I have a 4-2. I don't know, just call.
Man, what the fuck, Grayscale? Can you fucking stop?
Spot.
Dude, look at this, guys.
I have this 4 of diamonds.
Like,
What does he have?
I don't think checking.
what the fucking fuck?
He has too much showdown. Like, he has showdown value. Well, not always, but almost always has showdown value. The question is he more like...
Look how much ETH they gonna dump.
to call with a hand like 3-3? Probably not.
I have kind of the feeling that he's bluffing here, but I don't know with what. I don't understand what he has. I have pretty bad blockers to call it. I don't have a pair. I have a diamond 2. I don't understand his hand. Guess I fold. I don't know. I have a feeling that he's bluffing somehow. I don't know how though.
That's too bad. I thought he was gonna call.
25, 50 cent and 50 cent at 10.20. What's the difference? The difference is they respect your raises at 25, 50 cent.
What do here? Raise, call.
Well, he makes it really small. The thing about these small raises, there's not going to get that many folds. As you can see, I'm going to peel my aces. I'm going to river an ace. No big deal. Probably not a great spot for him. This is my wild guess. If I'm going to be really honest, I'm going to say it's not a great spot for him. Falcons. Okay, well, I'm going to raise. The question is how much. I don't know if it's the right size or not.
It's a weird river spot. Left table, it's an obvious potential bluff spot, but 9 and the deuce matter not really at all. Ace 4.
Falcons, yeah. This is where you can't handle the jungle. The jungle is not the Falcon's natural habitat.
He's cool. That's the problem.
I could have the ace of hearts thing. Man, it looks like he made like some kind of fold there. This is
Holy shit.
Not always.
10 and at 1020. What's the difference? The difference is they respect your raises at 25 50 cent.
What do I do here? Raise, call.
Well, it makes it really small. The thing about these small raises, there's not going to get that many folds. As you can see, I'm going to peel up my aces, and I'm going to river an ace.
Lol.
Great spot. Yeah. This is my wild guess. If I'm going to be really honest, I'm going to say this is not a great flop. Bad news for Galfond. Falcons. Okay, well, I'm going to raise. The question is how much. I don't know if this is the right size or not.
It's a weird river spot. Left table, it's a kind of obvious initial bluff spot, but 9 and the deuce matter not really at all. Ace 4.
Falcons, yeah. This is where you can't handle the jungle. The jungle is not the Falcon's natural habitat.
Alright, next hand.
I can check.
Weird ripple. I don't know. I think even though he's jungle, he might not do that enough. We'll never know. Let's call and flop a set of deuces.
Personally, I always go out to the woods when I'm wounded. Yeah, see, the woods have some healing properties. I went to the woods once when I was sick, and I got healed. Jungle, voodoo stuff. Alright, this ace's hand I can actually value bet. I can check too. I'm gonna check. I don't suggest necessarily going. It can hurt, I guess, if you're sick and you go into the woods. How bad could it be? Don't go in the woods, guys.
It's supposed to be a pot. Pot only spot.
He bets full pot. So weird. I think I'm gonna check call. I think my hand's good enough for that.
Here we get called. Interesting turn.
Okay, now this hand got weird. I don't think this man has a set. But does he have 5-6? That I don't know.
Weird spot. I think I half pot rather than this weird one.
I do wish I led full pot, but whatever. I didn't realize my thing was that low. Alright, Galfond. That's kind of scary to be fair. Whatever, dude. That's so weird.
Whatever, dude.
Oh, he really got me.
I think in theory he's supposed to check jam that flop, but
Potted the flop with a set? What the fuck? So weird.
those spots are really awkward. Or actually open pot is maybe what he's supposed to do. He's supposed to open pot.
Let's see the logic behind that. Well, I got owned on the ace's hand. It could have been a good knit and just check fold, but then I wouldn't be Mickey. Mickey would not check fold. What's going on with that? Really weird hand. I'm gonna check. I want to see some turns.
Guess I'll check back here.
On the bottom, interesting. I think I'm gonna go for the check raise. This is an interesting bluff to have later on if I just. I could go for a bet actually, because I can bluff quite some cards where I don't normally have it. I kind of like bet on second thought. I was thinking to myself to check raise.
I think potting turn is good here. I am repping exactly one hand, or two hands really. 5-5 and 6-7, but actually like 9-5, 7 and stuff like that I just bet. So.
This is gonna get weird real fast. I might like pot commit myself. Well, I have a wrap. I could just gamble that he doesn't have. I could just gamble that he doesn't have 6.
Wow, this is so fucking spewy.
7 makes me straight into flush draw. Does he bet?
Man, Jungle Man is so crazy.
This may be bad. Only because I'm really screwed by 6-7.
It's weird that he goes under pot. So
I was thinking to myself, do I have to call it off? What happens on rivers?
2 pair I would call. Open ender with a pair. He might be bluffing. The problem is he might have queen jack 10 and then it gets pretty ugly.
It's a Mickey with kind of like Mickey Mouse, but artist version. I'm the modern day poker artist. AI, chat, GPT. You know, I am a bit curious about AI. I think it's going to be incredibly powerful very soon. I think, yeah, this is a really weird one, AI.
It's really hard for me to have the best hand with 5. I'm gonna let him have it. He might, like, I find the sizing so strange.
Oh, I gotta show it. Show the bluff. I forgot I could show.
Yeah, he bluffed me. I find the sizing so strange.
This weird ass spice ball so much with this guy.
And it definitely made me suspicious, but he got me.
douchebag possible. I told my assistants this, and they're like, okay, here's what we found. And I'm looking at these outfits, and I kind of like them. I'm like, uh-oh. But the thing is, I get compliments on these, and I kind of like things that are a little bit outrageous. And I'm really hoping he does not bet all of his streets here.
I really know what to make of this.
Okay, I have a flush. I could probably find a way to have a flush. I do have an 8. That's not ideal. I'm not being a douche in a conventional way, or like the real way of the meaning of it. I'll have to get an double opinion just to make sense. I'm not really trying to go in that category. Although technically I am,
That's King Jack.
by the literal definition of the word, arrogant, because I am overconfident in my abilities, but I'm aware of it. So tailor it back a little bit. That's my natural tendency. So yeah, I mean I think this stuff is cool. Pops.
Weak flush. He's 10 or something like that. Is he turning? Problem is he can have like Jack 8 or better. He has so many value hands. It's just too hard to call.
One definition of evil that I heard that I liked that seems to work is the energy of separation. Inherent in falsehood is separation, by the way. What is falsehood? But by the way, in acting, actually, truth and falsehood are pretty important. Allegedly, when you act, part of your soul is revealed. I've got a weird hand on the bottom. I'll get a little feisty, even though I hate these spots.
I don't have much equity here, so I'm gonna check.
Because it's kind of like, with these spots, you can turn up a ton of bluffs later, and it really sucks, so you're forced to play passive. It's very similar to when you call in the big blind wide, you are forced to play passive because you have shit a ton of the time. In no luck, you have to check fold your queen 4 offthrough or whatever it is. So you have to play more passive on later streets, unless they just like let you win all the time, which Mr. Galfon is not exactly doing.
It's too hard to win at showdown, so I'm gonna bluff on both tables.
I'm not gonna race here only because I have a million bluffs. I do have like a premier bluff hand almost. I would rather have like 8, 9, 2 actually. I just, for sure he's got like a flush or nothing. Actually, he might have nothing. Thinking about it more.
Gotta fold at least one of them, right? It wasn't that one.
Okay, he was bluffing there. I might actually call. He might have nothing. That's a very realistic hand. He might have nothing.
Wasn't that one either.
I called him. I got him. The Galfon.
That's a really thin call, both on flop and on river.
Falcons, your days are numbered.
This doesn't really matter that he blocks a deuce or a 9. 9 a little bit, deuce it doesn't, because I'm repping flushes. He doesn't believe you. He doesn't believe you.
I wonder what Galfon is thinking as I'm like taking him down and talking about like the Shri mantra and the GI and all this stuff. Just thinking, what's going on over there?
Sometimes what happens there is I'm in his spot and I like think forever about raising the river, and then I'm like, no, I'm not going to, and then I'm like, well, maybe I'll just call. Whereas if you gotta kind of
Yeah, we will see. We will see. The problem is that
thinking about well, do I bluff?
Hunting wild game is one of my good pastimes.
the problem is that grayscale is I think they dump in ETH right now, like really hard. Yeah, I might just go flat again.
Guys talking about this stuff on the stream, especially while like
Might have been a debate.
like it is 100, 200. There's $20,000 on the line. I guess I'll check. Do you know that there's like now
Might have been a debate.
creating an AI that they want to worship as God? I mean that's pretty it's funny. They want to make it like the Christ, so it'd be literally like the Antichrist.
Left table I could bet flop, maybe I should, but no, I just didn't think he was folding. Kind of like bluffing now and bombing river.
Real world stuff. I can't make this up. I can't. I'm not. I couldn't. That's pretty crazy. I couldn't make that one up. I mean, they're like straight up like they're like, yeah, we're trying to make the Antichrist. Like whatever. Who cares? It's cool.
A little unfortunate because I don't rep many 3x, but like I think I would play 9-3 this way. I think I would play queen 3 this way sometimes. So I am gonna go for it.
All right. Well, he bet pot.
It is fucking Friday though.
Guts and glory. He could be bluffing.
Obviously 9-9, but that's very few combos.
I don't know. I mean, he might be actually.
But basically, like, I would pot a lot of 2-pair on this turn because I just really think 2-pair is good.
What's he bluffing with? Probably 10x type hands. Ace should be good for me to have.
By the way, Now this open is this is doing what the sword market is doing right now, right? If you look at this, this is pretty much the strong open. Look at this and look at this. Pretty similar.
Do I have the better blockers? Yes, I do. I have very good blockers. Okay.
Supposed to be a bluff over here.
And on the top table, I call bet half pot on the turn. I'm getting a little bit distracted, so I need to focus a bit. I bet half pot on the turn. I like full pot. Yeah, I'll just open it.
Bluff worked over here, so a few pots going our way.
$20, that's nice.
10K win, 10K at a time.
Read a book called The Status Game. That's an interesting book. That's kind of modern. Been reading all kinds of books.
And gold hit my TP.
To your actions, it's just a question of. I mean, that's obviously true. You see that every day. It's just a question
Nice.
of how far those consequences reach. This is going to be another difficult topic to break down while hunting wild game.
This is a little bit thin, because he will play some weak 7x this way. What's he doing?
I want them to fold non-votes. Thinking about this more, I probably do want an ace, but I block his more likely votes.
Makes no sense. I block an ace, I block a 9. I'm just gonna call. I don't know. It's so weird. 9.
Oh, what? Oh, he has the ace, that's why. Okay. Yeah.
I'm getting back in here on gold with
Basically, if there's
20% size.
even at
Looking
any
for that
point,
high.
at any even in extreme cases, it kind of results in the whole annihilation of everything. Basically, Fyodor Dostoevsky wrote about this idea, but he didn't write about it exactly the way that I'm saying it. He wrote basically his view is not 100% perfect, but basically it's very close. He wrote about it very eloquently. That's just my view. He wrote that basically for morality to like work at all, there has to be like everything has to have consequences, something like that. He wrote like if there's no God, then anything can be justified, which is that is sort of true. Okay, bottom table, have the nuts, bet the pot on the turn. I'm gonna bet the pot on the river. That's my thought process.
Okay, so don't have a 7-5. I do have 4. The problem is he goes really thin here. I mean, my hand's pretty terrible for calling, but
One of the best poker stories. I'm trying to think of a Falcon story. You know what there should be? There should be a Falcon series. Falcon series, Falcon and Owl series. Falcon and Jungle.
Oh, never mind, that was just in Sun.
Might make that.
Not grayscale.
Battle between Falcons and Jungle.
the jack is bad. I don't know. He's like, I'm gonna put on my cape. I don't know. This is not a call on theory. Just has the nuts. I'll take my cape off now.
Let's see.
No, what happened? Yeah.
No, he's like, I'm gonna put on my cape. I don't know. This is not a call in theory. Nope. Just has the nuts. I'll take my cape off now.
What the fuck?
Probably important. He had a pair of 8s at the bottom. When I had a straight, he had a meager pair of 8s. Cool story, bro. I had a straight.
Yeah, I'm not sure or how to justify my bad call. I mean, I think it's fine. I'm fine with trusting my reads.
Let me think. I think Falcons has gotten the best of me in the past, but I've been long laying in wait, waiting for the day to come for my grand retribution. Now it's time. It's time, Falcons. Time to meet your nemesis. Face it.
So here on the river, I think it's too thin to do anything but small bet. I mean, I could half pot, but I don't have that sizing.
Okay, so the top table, I could get fucked here. He bet small all the way through. He's begging me to raise. He's begging me to raise.
Oh, your NQ is not looking too good, huh?
Begging it. Right now he's saying, I mean, the jack is kind of a good card because now he has
Yeah.
jack 10. He's never gonna re-raise. I could polarize. I'm deciding on the size here.
Smelled this coming, but I mean, it's a really bad calling hand, of course. It just, yeah.
Shit. What do you fold?
When you have a bad calling hand and no read, then you just fold.
Falcon slips away again. He's very agile. This Falcons guy. He doesn't look like he would looking at him. If you've ever seen him in real life, he doesn't look like the agile kind of guy, but he's quite adept, you could say.
We're going downhill again. Let's call this down 40.
At the bottom, I'm gonna check raise.
Okay.
Multitasking is mostly a trap, by the way, guys. Hate to break it to you. In this case, it's even like probably hurting me a little bit. I am a little distracted, but I can
Look at this shit.
Okay, so I have to fold now. I mean, that's about it.
Not really the turn I wanted, even though it's second nuts.
At the bottom, I have quite
So
some
what stock is dumping right now? It's not
as a bluff. Yeah, this has got to be a pot bluff situation on the bottom.
2 flush draws. I think I need to protect my hand, although he's repping. So weird.
It's not very easy to have a bluff.
it's not Nvidia.
Just by the way.
Whoa! Actually no, never mind. It is now. It is Nvidia.
He's too.
We gotta fill this gap, I guess.
I mean, he knows what he's doing to my raise already. He's not like going to be put in a tough spot, so it doesn't really matter about my timing or what it seems like I have there. I just have the nuts almost always, and he's not betting like.
Seems like he made
It seems like a decent spot to get in now.
Yeah, I can talk about some poker stories. It helps if you guys give me some prompts so you can like ask about specific ones.
But I kind of wanna,
I'm just thinking
I wanna get in below here.
another yes. I can tell you one day.
This would be nice. Sweep here,
200,
and then
Falcon
full range up.
back in the day really smashed me at this. I was like 3-betting. I thought at that time 3-betting 30% or whatever was quite good. Maybe there's like a stream for philosophical discourse like Jungle Man. I could
Doop de doop de doo. Tesla and Apple are dumping. Okay. So yeah, my this is basically where I'm not looking for longs on NQ at the moment. I think it's better at the moment to long SPX or long Russell. I'm still long on Russell. And yeah, on gold. But yeah, gold is just like super small position now. I'm pretty much fully out. But it is still looking okay. Like I TP'd at this high and I entered 1/5 size, which is basically nothing. Like I will make 20 bucks if we get up here. Oh yeah, no, this is kind of a spot where I don't want to risk much anymore. We have from tonight we have pumped from this low almost 1%, and this could still range, right? So yeah. Oh. Yeah, very choppy. I mean, it's Friday. Like, I didn't expect anything else. Just hope it doesn't break this low, because I have my stop here. But it's good that this is holding fairly well for now. You know what's really sad? I had an entry here yesterday, right, at this low, and I got stopped. I mean, I TP'd like 70% throughout this move up, but it's such a fucking scam that it came back down all the way, and then overnight, of course overnight, when I'm not, don't want to sit in this, move back up all the way. the fuck is... Oh, it's so hard. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, hey, I'm break even. Who break roof with me? I'm trying. Trying to break roof with you. But it's Friday. I mean, to be honest, you know what I expect? Like maybe we go up here. I don't know. I think we're just gonna chop around. I didn't even realize that Bitcoin is Bitcoin continue to rally. Yeah, I mean ETH cannot catch up if Grayscale is dumping, huh? But the thing is, overall, I mean, there's nice upside on ETH. That's why I decided to long ETH. Yeah. The problem is we are getting into dumping territory. If we are getting to like 69, I mean, pretty much here, right? 69.3, 68.8, somewhere around here. I don't really want to hold my ETH long anymore, realistically. But yeah, probably ETH will not make it. I mean, this is probably the highest we will go. Closing here would be fine as well, I guess. Yeah. Alright, SPX is finally moving up. You want a long ship? Go ahead. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how high this relief rally here can go, but what would make sense in my mind? I mean, at least we should fill this, right? Should fill this gap. And I'm probably gonna close then. Let me see what that is. And call it a day, because I need to look at the single stocks. Let me see, Tesla. There's a big gap to fill to the upside. Apple. Yeah, I'm not gonna look for too much. I would really need Nvidia to wake up and fill a little bit of this gap. Gold is going good. I added back in like a little bit, but it's like super small size still. The CP's here. Yeah, this under test. I think. Yeah, this high is good. This should be OTP. Oi, 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 oi. Yeah, typical Friday. I think I should have just closed on this little pump. Yeah, at full retrace. Nvidia dumping. Started dumping after I hit the market buy. Surprise. My OTP is about to hit. Yeah, market with a giga chop here. Honestly, guys, looking at this, does this look like a bottom to you? I don't really feel like this is a bottom formation here, huh? Mm-hmm. Oops. And why didn't I just close? Back in the red. I mean, only $12, but. May just close and call it a day. I don't know. Oh, come back up. Yeah, come on, Nvidia. Pump it. Pump it. Like, retweet, retweet. What the fuck is this? Nah. Smells like AI. Of course. Damn, my fucking goat long fucking pogging. Dude. Song. Why did I put so many lines here? What the fuck is that going on? I was down and now Ooh. I'm gonna close my. Do I fully close? Oh, actually, no. It's not break even. I was down, but now I'm up. All right. How about no MacBook Air?
No club in my hand. I think it's just a fold.
He does like all with whatever sometimes. Actually, I mean, I probably do have this a lot. Probably do have one club a bit, a lot.
Okay, do I have any reason to doubt him having a flush? Not particularly, no.
I'm not in love with, you know, I want to like really, well, I shouldn't say everything, just in case.
Not enough of a reason to call with no club.
He's got a spine in the foot. He still folds. Take that, Falcons. right in your crest, your feathery crest.
No.
You thought you had me against the wall, Falcons. Thought you figured found me in the jungle. But the jungle has many crevices to creep under. Not what you can expect.
It's close. I actually don't know if I should have a bet that big, this deep.
Not the card I was looking for.
It's too low equity. I think it's just check fold.
What's Bitcoin at? I might just go flat and call it a weekend because I got the feeling the party is over.
Maybe he's bluffing. I know for an absolute fact that this man would bluff here if he had the chance. The question is, does he? I think he's got some bluffs.
I think it's just kind of hard to have. Well, it's definitely hard to have there.
I think this man's got some bluffs. Yeah, I'm kind of. I mean, he's saying he's either got his queen or queen.
I think the party is over, guys. Not gonna lie.
This seems like a very balcony spot to bluff. I'm gonna call. Yeah, got his ass. Yeah, fuck you, Falcons.
Oh,
Why I thought he was gonna call
give.
with ace jack. I mean, he had. It's a very good calling hand. He has no diamonds. He has ace jack nine.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna
It's actually a standard call, I would say, but it's too bad. I thought he would really believe me that time.
Alright. I'll get a little loose on the bottom.
Do we have some news?
Bluffs is almost as good.
Do we have some news? This is kind of weird. I might fully close my. consumer sentiment we had. It was 15 minutes ago already. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna. I don't know what to do with the fucking with my fucking SPX long. It's just so painful to watch. I mean, this is painful to watch as well. A long dollar yen is low. Okay, this is going up now. Come on. I didn't get exactly the entry I wanted, but it's fine. God, this is so painful. Man, I think I'm just gonna go outside, go skate. Fuck this shit. And call it a weekend. What do you guys think? It's fucking chart, man. Yeah, I think I just don't think that crypto is going anywhere right now. Even if this goes up a little, I feel like Bitcoin looks fairly topped. I might just get out of this. I might just get out of this. Not looking too hard. All right, yeah, I'm going flat. It's fine. I'm still in my NQ, my SPX long, but I don't know. Maybe I just target this wick and then get the fuck out. It might just mysteriously roll over anyways. Oh, coming up. Maybe I should just take $5 and fuck off. I can't, I just want to close. Oh, maybe. Ooh, oh, we're moving up. We're moving up, boys. We're moving up. Come on, hit my TP so I can fuck off. Is Nvidia going up? Oh, a little bit. I'm happy with this. Like, it's just a little bit higher. We Alright, cool, I'm happy I closed SPX. Bum. I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, there was a 0.3% move. Still in dollar yen. That happens, Scotty. You can never know. I mean, you never know for sure, but there's always tail risk for stuff, right? I mean, sometimes Bitcoin is nothing and everything else is mooning. Alright, so yeah, we filled that gap that I want to see. I think I'm gonna hop off now. I closed here. Man, this was a choppy ride. It could go, I mean, theoretically, as I said, it is a Friday, right? So, damn, and I closed this very nicely at the top. Man, I'm pretty happy with my trades today. Pretty good trades. Nothing to complain. So yeah, theoretically, like, this has a lot of room up, right? Obviously, still. But yeah, is this how a bottom forms? Maybe, maybe not. There is definitely a lot of room up. On my test, yeah, right. So yeah, could miss out on the 2% here, but the thing is, as I said, we have Friday. I think overall not much is gonna happen. This is probably just gonna chop around and come back down at some point. So yeah, happy with taking a scalp here. I would really want to see what happens like when everything comes back down, especially like Nvidia back to the lows. Do I have an Nvidia chart here? We have one, right? So yeah, what I want to see is what happens here when Nvidia dumps back to this low. And then I want to see where at that point where NQ is, probably makes a new low. So yeah, I mean, here I could see this would be a nice bottom forming, like if we get to this low. So actually, I mean, it's pretty easy actually. If it comes up here first, I think you want to short, and if it comes down first, I think you want to look for longs. But within here in this range now, right now, after this opening move, I don't know. It's Friday. Don't want to touch. I mean, same with Bitcoin. Basically, we are back at these highs. It doesn't mean anything though, right? I would like to look for shorts up here, but I would only want to look for longs if we come back into this gap. 3% down. Closed like a fucking champ. Lucky me. Particular jump. It's so funny how, like, I've reloaded this account with $100 a couple of weeks ago, right? And I ran it to like 500 and ran it back down to 100 and ran it back up and ran it back down and ran it back up. And I'm just shopping around here on my crypto account. It's really, really frustrating, actually. I feel like I have no edge in this market. It's so hard with the fees. And meanwhile, my Forex account, I ran my Forex account from $100 to almost 2K now in 4 weeks. Without like any, like, I didn't take any gambles or anything. I just ran it up with like pretty normal risk management. Like no super gamba shit or anything. Yeah, I don't know. It's just, I hate this market. This is just horrible. I don't know how you guys like trading this, but I really hate it. I really fucking hate it at the moment. I mean, even yesterday this low, this was so fucking annoying to get the bottom. I mean, on Bitcoin I think it was easier, right? But on ETH I tried to get the bottom, and I had a really nice entry. And even that, what the fuck was a fucking chart? Where's reset? So my entry was here, right? I thought, oh wow, this is a really good entry. This is gonna run up now, right? While the stock market reversed. No, he decided to roll over one more time, and I had to get back in here again. It was a fucking nightmare again to trade this. And I chopped away a lot again, and yeah, I mean now I made it all back, but this could have gone horribly wrong. I don't know, it's just super bad. Talking about super bad, look at this. It is really tempting to flip short now. But I don't know. I don't think it's really worth it. It's probably just gonna chop around here. But yeah, as I said, I don't think this is our low forms. We might just go lower. We did fill this gap, which I was looking for. This is a nice liquidity grab on the daily. Trend is still completely intact. I use blueberry markets. It's pretty good because it has no fees on. I really like it. I never had a problem with it. It has no fees on gold, and I mean the usual fees like $3.50 per lot on Forex. But yeah, I'm really happy with my performance on other markets. And at the moment, I'm not really stressing too much about crypto. I'm just occasionally taking a trade. And yeah, it's really healthy for my mindset, because I was going nuts the last couple of weeks, because I just couldn't make money here. It was really bad. It's also nice seeing these fucking, I don't know how people get these moves. I feel like it's impossible. You just gotta get a luck box. Really hard. Look at this move. 12% up and then sweep the low and then came back up 25. I wonder if Miss is still short. But if he got stopped, break even. What? It was pretty good trading in gold. Pepe is not here, is he? Give setting file agar. This one. This is from Alexia, here in my Telegram. I feel like Alexi is starting to speak some English. He learns to speak. Amazing. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys. I'm heading off. I am heading off. Because I don't think I'm gonna take a trade anymore today. There's no way. It's gonna be really fucking boring. Okay, I already know it. So yeah, rather take the time, go skate, and then yeah, later, guys. I might come back later, but you know why I might come back later? Because it's new PoE season, and I gotta log in. Yeah, I might stream a little bit when I play, but depends. Sometimes I just like to not stream when I play. Just chill. Okay. Alexi. I don't even know if I want you in my Telegram group. You're such a fucking weirdo. Who thinks Alexi should be in my Telegram? Okay, guys. I go skate now.